Whole day. What about that? My hat. This is my hat. My ever hat. I'm fixing the leaves. Like that. Not wasting my time. Multitasking. You're also handsome. May asawa ko. May bana. May bana. STV. Oh, I have 5 minutes. Where's my cup? Which give you for Christmas? Huh? You did not give me. Oh, you did not give me. Ever since. I'm waiting for that you will give it to me. But nobody cup. Okay? Let me fix my camera so that I make beautiful. Can I fix? Much better this one. Bubbles. Mm. What about that? Ah, it's nice. I purchased the new cup where you miss. You did not give it to me. You did not give me. Can you give me? This is my address. 512 Block 33 100 Philippines City. Okay? May iba na. May iba na. Huy, huy, huy. Atom ng ring ng I know some words of yours. Then chapwa. You like this? It's a lady finger. I have 5 lady finger. I will make vegetables. You like my hat? What's that? Lady finger. One. Let me clear my camera. Jane's finger. No, it's a vegetable. Gaming vibes. Thank you for the invite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good morning. Have a great day. Like I see you. Gaming vibes. I will cook a vegetable so that I will make beautiful and beautiful. Okay? That's my secret. You know my secret already. It's a leafy vegetables so that I will waste my time while I'm doing live, doing cutting the vegetables. Where's meat? What I brought you? You didn't brought me. Did you brought me? You did not. You did. Oh, I cannot see you. I cannot see you. Yeah, I really love to watch myself in front of the camera. Can you brought it to me, Amit? Bana? Bana? Please brought me a meat. I'm hungry now. I love you, my sawa, for Christmas only. You're so funny, my Bana, ha? You make me tickling. Today, it's Saturday. It's 10:43. Yeah. Time to eat vegetables so that you will become more beautiful and healthier. Alright? So, let's eat vegetables. Vegetables!